Hey everybody, welcome to T-Roy Cooks. Appreciate you joining. Man, I'm gonna do some beef ribs on the Lone Star Grill for you today. Had some requests for that, so that's exactly what we're doing. Grill's getting fired up with some pecan wood, and I'll bring y'all right back and we'll get cooking right after the intro.
T-Roy's chilling in the backyard grilling, cooking up some barbecue for you. T-Roy's chilling in the backyard grilling, showing you that you can cook it too. Always with a beer or whiskey, but he cooks responsibly.
All right, today the choice of ribs, and these are some of those dino ribs, you know, come off of Tyrannosaurus Ralph or something like that. Not Rex, Ralph, okay? Wild fork, folks. I did some wild fork steak last time, and I had quite a few of you guys out there that said y'all love wild fork, so kudos to you, and it is some good stuff. I got a USDA prime. It's about a 5.5 pound roast of ribs here, and it's aged prime beef, folks. This should be good. It's got nice marbling on it. 1, 2, 3, looking like about a 4 boner. Yeah, we're gonna open this baby up. Oh, and today I'm gonna use some of this rub that I got from my buddy Rick over at Rick's Barbecue and Specialties on YouTube. I'll put a link for his channel right up there. Y'all go check him out. And this is his own house brand, GalindosTexasBBQ. It's got some, let me see, Texas beef hog. Oh yeah, babe. Salt and pepper, of course. Got a little garlic, a little onion. He threw in a little paprika and a little bit of cumin in there too. So this should be really good on beef. All right, let's bust this baby open. See what we got. Can't believe got me some aged beef ribs, primed at that. Whoo, doggy. All right, that's what we got. And my Lone Star Grillz has just hit about 250 Fahrenheit. Get all that out of there. Man, they did a pretty good job of trimming this up. I don't think I'm gonna have to trim too much of it off, man. Backside, I'm not gonna worry about taking off the membrane or anything. Tell you what, I am gonna go wash this real quick though. Get all these particles of bone off of there. So we'll be right back, folks. All right, after cleaning this baby up, I noticed there is some silver skin right here, which is not gonna render out. So I definitely want to get rid of some of that silver skin if I can. Got me my Dalstrong that I used to trim briskets with. It's flexible, you know, stiff but still flexible. Love this knife, man. So I'm just going to go into here if I can, just under the silver skin. Try not to tear off too much of the meat. Just slide right up under it, man. Slide right up under it. There we go. Keep going. I don't like filleting a fish, folks. Man, check out that marbling under here. Ooh, Lord, that's gonna be good. All right, let me get all this trimmed up, get it cleaned up a little bit. I'll bring y'all right back. All right, guys, this is looking much better. Got all that silver skin off, and also trimmed a little bit of the fat over here because it was a little thick. All right, now y'all know I like a binder, and y'all know I like Lea and Perrins. That's what we're putting on. And again, this one is a special one from, you know, actually from Worcestershire. Okay. Put a little binder on there. I'm not gonna worry about the backside. Just going to do the top and sides, and it doesn't take much. There we go. All right, now let's get us some of this Galindo's Texas barbecue rub on there, huh? What you think? I tasted this stuff and it actually tastes pretty good, Rick. Can't wait to see how it tastes after it's been smoked for a little bit. Put the lid on there, T-Roy. There you go. Don't be screwing up, man. Don't be screwing up. And as with most like briskets and beef ribs and stuff like that, you can go pretty heavy on your rubs, folks. Don't be shy. Man, it smells good. It smells real good. Got great color. There we go. Let me get my edges. Come on. There we go. Like that. And I already got most of this other side over here a while ago. All right. Kind of freshen it up a little bit since I have my hands all over it. Great looking rub. Tell you what, man, that looks good. All right, now let's go put these ribs on my smoker, folks. Let me tell you what I did real quick. I took those ribs out of the fridge right before y'all saw them on camera, so they're still cold out of the fridge, like 34, 35 degrees. My pit's running 262 Fahrenheit, and it's about 64 degrees out here, so there you go, or 66 degrees, whatever it is. Anywho, got my grill grates cleaned up. I'm gonna put this baby, let's sit it with the thicker end towards firebox. Sit it right there. And I've got a little probe. We're just gonna stick a little probe right in there. If you've never done this, just kind of put where the center of the tip is right there. Mark it with your thumb. That's how deep you want to go. See? And try to put it right in the center there. That's exactly what we're gonna do. Just like that, folks. Close her back down. And this is probably gonna be a 6 to 8 hour cook, I'm guessing. Like I said, a 5.5 pound rib rack. I'm just gonna keep maintaining fire on this thing. We're gonna keep it about 250-ish, give or take a little bit. And putting this meat on cold, it's gonna drop the temp in your pit. So don't worry if you see that happen. It's just you putting cold meat inside your hot offset, okay? Or hot Weber Smoky Mountain or kettle or whatever. The cold meat's gonna absorb a lot of that heat. Plus you open the door to put the meat in, which also cools it down a little bit. So don't let all that throw you. We're gonna keep cooking. I'll bring you back here, I don't know, in a few hours when I start spritzing, but not until then, I don't think. We'll be back. All right, 3 hours in. Let's see what they're looking like. Folks, that looks gorgeous to me. I don't know about what y'all think. Let's get you some zoomification on that. There we go. How about that, baby? Y'all like that, don't you? Oh, yeah. All right, we're gonna spritz these. I think my bark is pretty much set. Oh yeah, I don't have any bark coming off. Got a little pullback on this side, not so much on this other side. Back yeah, just a little bit. There we go. So we're gonna go ahead and spritz these babies up. Oh, I'm using a mixture of about half apple cider vinegar and half water, and I put a scooch of Worcestershire sauce in there. All right, baby. I'm loving the color on this though. Color looks fabuloso, Rick. Looking really nice, bro. All right, we're gonna let them babies keep on cooking, and I'll keep adding wood as needed so we can maintain a good 250 or 260, somewhere in that range. We'll catch y'all back when they're close to being done, folks. I'm gonna try to cook them till about 205 internal, somewhere in that range. Cook them like a brisket. All right, guys. It has been about 7.5 hours, and that's where we're at right now. See my, I just opened up my vents because it was kind of getting dying down, so I didn't add any more wood the last hour. We're at 202.5. Let's check out this started to say brisket, but it ain't a brisket. These are beef ribs. Let me get this out of the way. There we go. So the internals are showing 202. I always like to check for tenderness. Let's see where we're at. Oh, dude, that is so tender. Oh, that's just like going through like water. Holy cow! And you want to just double check the reading on there for me? Check that out. 203. That's about where that probe is going in, so that's accurate. Holy moly, that is. These are gonna be fall off the bone, man. I tell you. These are going to be super, super tender. Oh my gosh. See if I can hook that over there. Yep, we got it hooked. Now, folks, what I'm going to do, bring you up here where I can see it. It's starting to, the sun is starting to set here in about a half hour. I think I said it's been 7.5 hours for this cook, and a 5.5 pound prime, USDA prime, dry aged. Okay? So, your more marbled meats are going to cook a little bit faster, but you can usually figure about 1.5 hours a pound, kind of like a brisket. So this one cooked in 7.5 hours. There you go. But I'm gonna take this, if I can get it off. Yeah, I can get it off of there. Y'all check this out. How about that? We're gonna let it rest for half hour, 45 minutes. and then we'll come check it out, see what it tastes like. Be right back, folks. Y'all stick around. These ribs have been tinted in foil for an hour. Let's go ahead and check them out, see what we got, see how this turned out, folks. I think I'm gonna turn this over and cut it the other way, folks. Oh yeah. Let's do that. There you go. Now we're talking. That bar gets kind of crusty when you don't wrap it, but I like that myself. Oh yeah. Now let's see what we got. There's that one. And I figured there'd be a nice smoke ring because I put that, this is falling apart, because I put that beef on cold. Y'all check this out, folks. Oh my gosh. Isn't that a thing of beauty? There you go. Folks, I honestly don't think I've ever seen any better looking ribs than these. The bark is gorgeous, as you can see. And man, we got a nice smoke ring from that Lone Star Grill and that rub. Woo, Lord, let's check these out. Folks, my mouth is watering. I wish y'all were here to smell this. Looky, looky, looky. Holy cow. There's the other side of it. You know we got to dive in, right? Caveman style. Sure. Here we go. My lips are shining, aren't they? I can feel them. You got that nice prime rib grease on there. Beef rib. And look, where I took a bite. See all them juices? I mean, look. Juices flowing everywhere. I had to pick that up before the dog got to it. It's falling apart, folks. Hope y'all enjoyed this. Rick's rub is excellent. Galindo rub. And Wild Fork, hands down. Really, really good, man. Really, really good for the great price. And also the Lone Star Grill did an excellent job creating the smoke ring. Nice bark. Very fuel efficient. Y'all go check out Lone Star Grills. Again, links down below. Hope y'all enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not subbed yet, hope you go ahead and subscribe to old T. Roy. I'd appreciate it. And folks, hope you share the video. And when you do, please tell all your friends. T. Roy cooks responsibly. Cheers, everybody. We'll see y'all next time.